Hey everyone, welcome back to another portfolio update video on the channel for the mini options portfolio. Portfolio is currently sitting at 541.08, down about $1 for the day. For the week, we are down 674 or 1.23%, which you can see there is some craziness going on here, so I'll explain that in a little bit. For the month, we're up 42.08 or 8.42%. And that is essentially the all-time. And also, I apologize if you hear sound in the background. I have a 3D printer running next to me, so hopefully it's not too loud. I guess I'll see after the video. But yeah, so for the week, you see this crazy spike here. So essentially what happened is I got assigned early on the short leg of a put debit spread I had opened on SPY in my overall strangle I had opened. And wasn't able to cover that with my long call or my my long put until the morning. So overnight, SPY gapped up, and so I took ownership of 100 shares of SPY the night before due to the assignment, and I wasn't able to get rid of those shares until market open the next day. So at one point, it looked pretty crazy because my portfolio was technically up $450, technically not because it gets wiped as soon as the options prices update, but still, that was a crazy journey I went on there. So it looks pretty crazy, but that explains why that happened, and none of that is actually real gains I could have realized. But yeah, so portfolio is pretty much flat for the week aside from that craziness. And currently I have an iron condor open for this week, which is currently going against me, but by about only $4. It's fluctuating right now. Market is still open on SPY until 4:15. But yeah, SPY had a crazy day today. We had the Fed essentially hinting towards potential rate cuts in September, which is exactly what the market wants to hear. So that boosted it quite a lot. But for the week, yeah, you can see for the week it's pretty much flat. At one point down almost 2.5%, and then today up at one point a little bit over 2%. So pretty volatile week all in all. VIX is still pretty high. I'm pretty sure it dropped today quite a bit though. But that's the reason for my iron condor. And I opened it really tight and close to the money. It's actually in the money right now. So I guess we'll see if we get a gap down at all overnight or anything that could potentially put this into a profitable position. Otherwise, I'm probably going to close this out early for a small loss, like where it's currently at. But at the end of the day, it won't be much. Even if it somehow goes to complete 100% loss, I'll still only be down, or I'll still be up overall by like 20 bucks. So no problem there. But yeah, one thing I also want to mention, if you are not currently subscribed, let me head over to the analytics real quick. Whoops, hold on. Let's put this over here. Let me find it. I thought I had this already set up, but apparently I didn't. But what I was going to say is if you are not already subscribed, please do consider subscribing. I make weekly portfolio update videos, 2 a week now. Here it is. Not subscribed, 77%, which is pretty crazy, and this apparently is here. I don't know why this is here. But yeah, so about 80% of you guys are not subscribed, 22% are. If you are not subscribed and you want to see weekly portfolio updates, please do consider subscribing. But yeah, let's go back to the portfolio here. So yeah, not really much to talk about this week, to be honest. Once again, the biggest news was today with the Federal Reserve meeting talking about potential rate cuts in September, what the market wants to hear. So of course it went up quite a bit. But we'll see if this sticks. Like I said, for the week, it's pretty much flat anyways. So not really much movement overall, even though that is good news. You can see this big leg up here from down 2.5 almost to basically flat. But yeah, that's pretty much all for this portfolio update video. I guess check in next week to see where this iron condor goes. And aside from that, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.